Okay, so this pose is called inverted wide leg pose. So you come into it by just sitting down onto your seat. Remember to do your shimmy. So straighten your legs, shimmy, 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 shimmy. You want to find your perfect seat. Okay, from this place, you come back up, you find your long handles, and then you immediately take your legs into that wide V. Now again, if you're swinging and you want some stillness, just stop yourself, right? And so because we're going to come into a splits, we're going to stay in the wide V. And just imagine that this is almost your position A. Okay? But in order for me to go into the wide V, I have to pull my trapeze. So can you see I have to intuitively kind of find my happy space? Right? If I kept my trapeze wrapped around my legs and my tail, there's no way I can open my legs. You're just not going into that pose. So you find your space, hold onto your handles, and then just start to melt those legs open. See? So in time, eventually you'd go into your deepest splits. Wherever you are is totally fine. And then when you're ready to come out, find your feet again and just pull yourself up. And that is your inverted splits.